Hello and welcome to the Mike Less Farmhand Mike YouTube channel, bringing you some of the biggest and best variety and definitely the most versatile farming content on social media today. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Farmhand Mike. Hey everyone, welcome back for another video. If you've been following my channel, you know back in August of 2023, I was down in Texas and I was filming some cotton harvest videos. I did a total of 4 video shoots in some cotton fields, all in the same area around Beasley, Texas. And this is the number 4 video. So if you've not seen those other videos, you can go back on my channel. But all 4 videos are different machines, different ways of doing it. And this one here is a family farm that is picking their cotton crop using their John Deere 9996 basket picker. There's cotton pickers, there's cotton strippers, there's picker balers, stripper balers, or there's just a basket picker here. So this cotton picker here is taking 6 rows of cotton. It's blowing the cotton in a basket. They will side load that cotton into a wagon or a buggy, and then they will take it to the end of the field where they are making a bale or a module, as it's called, of cotton. It was a nice hot summer August day down here in Texas while I was here. But I got all the different angles. I got lots of good drone shots, on the ground shots. I did get to ride in the cab of the cotton picker. I was able to get up on the module builder and show the module or the cotton being pressed down. So in this video, you are going to see the entire process. A couple quick specs on the cotton picker you see here. Again, this is the John Deere model 9996. These were powered with a 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine that was rated around 350 horsepower. This machine weighs in somewhere around 43,000 pounds. I don't know the exact years of production on this, but looking around, I see there's some of these that were built from 2007 to 2010, so that kind of gives you a time frame when these were built. So he's going along picking the cotton here. As soon as that basket on the picker gets full, the tractor and buggy pull up here. He side dumps the cotton in here and then takes it to the end of the field where he dumps it into the module builder and builds a module of cotton. There's no doubt cotton harvesting has changed over the last few years. Most of the pickers or strippers you see now have the baler on them and make the round bale or the round module of cotton. Therefore, the harvester never has to stop. It makes the bale, they dump it in the field or can carry it to the end of the field. Where here, every time the basket gets full, they have to stop. But it's the way it was done for a lot of years, and it still works great. This was all dry land cotton in this area, so no irrigation. They had an extremely hot and dry summer down here. Some of the fields did not look so good, but this field of cotton here was pretty nice. And last but not least, that tractor that's moving that cotton from the picker over to the end of the field to the module builder is the farm's John Deere 4960 tractor. once the cotton module is built, they will open it up as you see here. They put a tarp over it. They will tarp each one before they pull away. You're going to see the whole process here. And then once this module is setting out here, a truck will come out from the cotton gin that will back under this, and it has a conveyor or a live floor, and it'll back right under it and pick that up and then haul that bale or module to the cotton gin to be processed. That's going to wrap up this video. Feel free to go down there and hit that like button and leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you go down there and hit that subscribe button and check back often. There's always new videos coming to my YouTube channel. If you want to see more of what I'm doing, you can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my social media.